How to remove Gmail account from Facebook. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can remove your primary Gmail account or primary email ID from Facebook. So I will show you in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on my Facebook mobile. So first, let me open my mobile application. So guys, this is my Facebook. I just open. So guys, in order to remove Gmail email ID from your Facebook, so first you have to go in setting. So click on this three line option and just click on setting. You can see the gear icon. You have to click on it. Now go to the personal account information, and here you will find the account information. So click on contact info. In contact info you will find your email ID, phone number, everything. So if you want to change your email ID or if you want to remove your email ID, then you have to add phone number or email ID first. So if you have two email ID here, so just click on one email ID and you can remove from here. You click on remove, and after that you have to enter your current password, then you can remove it. So if you have only one email ID, I don't have phone number, and first you need to add the new email ID from here. Just click on new email ID, add to new email ID, and you will yeah, you have to enter your new email ID, and this is for your current password. So if you want to add new email ID, then you have to enter your current password and click on add email ID, then it will be add. After that, come back and you can come back, select the email ID, and you can remove from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.